Very good morning, student. This is your class for accountancy, and in this class we are going to continue with the numeric section of accounting for share capital, issue and forfeiture. Okay, let's start with the second numeric. In this numeric, the authorized capital of Suhani Limited is 45 lakh divided into 30,000 shares, which means one share will cost you 150 rupees. Okay, one share will cost you 150 rupees. Total number of 30,000 share, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इक्वल्स 45 लाख रुपीज. आउट ऑफ दीज कंपनी शुड 15,000 शेयर्स ऑफ रुपीज 150 ईच. ओके, company haven't issued whole of the share, no, they have issued half shares, that is 15,000 for rupees 150 each at a premium of rupees 10. Premium means excess amount charged by the company, so they have sold the share of rupees 150 at rupees 160 each because they have added a premium of 10 rupees, and this is payable as 50 on the share application, 40 on allotment, which will include premium, which means 30 for allotment and 10 for premium. 30 per share on first call and balance on final call. Now what happened that public applied for 14,000 share only. We have invited for 15,000 share, but public offered only 14,000 applications. All money were duly received. Now what we will do? We will do the question according to 14,000 shares because we have received only 14,000 shares and accounts will work only on the thing that we have received. Okay. So first of all, starting with the first entry will be for receiving the application money. Application is received for 14,000 share and on one share 50 rupees application was there. So the entry will be bank account debit to share application account. Now this is our entry, bank account debit, because we have received some amount and we have received that amount for share application money, and 14,000 shares into 50 rupees, that equals 7 lakh rupees. After that you will transfer this application amount, this money, into share capital. Okay, so entry will be share application account debit to share capital account, okay. Here is a journal entry. In this we have transferred the share application money to share capital account, 7 lakh rupees. Okay, now for the next thing we have said that 40,000 per share we have received on allotment, which include premium. So for that we have to pass entry of allotment, and the entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. We are just doing the entry of share allotment, and to security premium account. Okay, now how will you allot the amount? You have called 40 rupees on share allotment, out of which 10 rupees is the premium, which means 30 is for share capital. And now multiply this amount with the number of share, that is 14,000, and while multiplying you will get the answer as 5 lakh 60,000, 4 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 40,000. Okay, this is your entry for share allotment along with premium. I hope you understood this. Now allotment money is due. Due means we have called the allotment money. For the next we will receive this allotment money after some time, and for receiving, as you all know, the entry is bank account debit to share allotment account. Alright, this is the entry for receiving the amount. Now how will you receive the amount? You will receive whole of this amount, that is 5 lakh 60,000 will be received on share allotment, out of which 420 will be transferred to capital account and 1 lakh 40,000 will be transferred to premium account. Okay. After allotment, the time for first call, and the first call, and for first call we have called 30 rupees. So first of all we will make this due. Due means we will call for these 30 rupees. So the entry will be share first call account debit to share capital account. Okay, here you have called for the first call. Okay, you have placed an call that the shareholder should give you the first call. After receiving that call, the shareholder will give you the first call, that is you will receive the money for first call. So the entry will be bank account debit to share first call account, and you will receive whole of the amount because there is nothing as arrear in the question. Everybody have paid the amount in full. So here we have received the share first call. This is the narration for this. And after first call, the time for second call. Second, that is balance. Here it is written that balance on final call. Now firstly we will find out how much balance is left. 50 plus 40, 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 30, 120, and 120 we have received. How much is the cost of share? 150 plus 10, which means 160. Out of 160 we have received 120. So how much is left? 40 rupees is left for the final call. So we will firstly make due this final call. Due means we will make a call for this final call. Share second and final call. We will write it as second and final call account debit to share capital. Here we have placed an entry for the call of second and final call. Now in the end you will receive whole of the amount of second and final call, and the entry will be bank account debit to share second and final call. This was all about the entries of this question. Now in the end you will see that you have been asked to prepare an extract of balance sheet of Suhani Limited as per schedule 3 part 1, which means new format of balance sheet is demanded here, and along with that we are asked to prepare the notes to account for the same. Okay, so for that first of all we need to make a bank account, because through bank account only we will get whole of the money that we have as bank balance. Okay, so firstly we are going to make a bank account, and after that we are going to make a share capital account. All right, so as you all know how to make a bank account, you will just pick the journal entries wherever bank is written, and you will post the entries in the ledger of bank account. Okay, that is the concept that I have already taught you, as well as that you have learned in class +1. You can directly make the entries from here. Like here it is bank account debit to share application. So we will pass an entry in the debit side of bank account, and what entry will be passed? Entry will be to share application account, and amount will be 7 lakh rupees. So here we have passed the entry to share application 7 lakh rupees, and similarly all the entries will be passed here. In the end you will just total this side and balance will be written as here. So here we have made the bank account. Now we will make the balance sheet of this question. Now this is the format of your balance sheet as per new Companies Act, that is Companies Act 2013. So first of all you will give the heading, that is equity and liability. Equity and liability is your first heading. In this you will include everything that is included in your liability side of previous balance sheet. Okay, so under this you will give a subheading, that is shareholders fund. Shareholders fund, and under shareholders fund sub part will be share capital. Sub part will be share capital. All the reserves and other things will be written here also. Okay, now you will write the total amount that is transferred to the share capital account. Okay, you need to calculate the total amount that has been transferred into the share capital account. For that what you need to do? You need to create notes to account. You need to create notes to account. Let's create that first, because from there we will get this balance. Okay, you will make the notes of account like this, same format, and you will give the first heading share capital. Under share capital the first thing you will write is authorized capital. Authorized capital. Okay, now look into the book. How much authorized capital is given to you? Authorized capital is 45 lakh, which is divided into 30,000 share of rupees 150 each. Okay, like this you will write, and here you will mention the 45 lakh rupees. All right, and here you will just close this. After this the second thing you will do is issued share capital. Issued capital. Now how much capital you have issued? You have issued 15,000 shares of rupees 150 each. Now how much it become? It become a total of 22,50,000. Okay, this is the total we have issued for, but is it subscribed? No. So we will write the subscribed share capital. Now how much is subscribed? People have subscribed for 14,000 share of rupees 150 each. Now how much it become? Now it become 21 lakh. Okay, it's 21 lakh. Now after that we have totaled all this, but we have issued the shares on security premium. So we will mention the second heading, reserve and surplus. Under reserve and surplus we have security premium reserve. Security premium reserve, and for how much? It was on 14,000 share. It was on 14,000 share and 10 rupees was premium on one share. Now how much it become? It become 1,40,000. Now we will show this amount and this amount in the balance sheet that we have made prior to this. Okay, let's move to the last page. Here I have written the share capital, and in share capital I will write 21 lakh rupees. Okay, and in B part, that is reserve and surplus, I will mention the balance of security premium reserve, that is 1,40,000, and this side total will become 22,40,000 each. Okay, and this is very much similar to the bank balance we have made, but you need to show only this because the question have asked for the liability side only. That's it, completed the question. I hope you get that. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the live class. Have a very good day, students.